Watch out, designers, AI technology is getting better fast and it's becoming more and more difficult to wrap our heads around it.
AI is a fundamental risk to the existence of human civilization.
AI has the potential to revolutionize the design world and make a lot of our work more efficient and easier. But with great power comes great responsibility. From losing our job to making unfair decisions to making even unethical decisions. We need to be aware of the dark side of AI in design. So in this video we're gonna look at some bad things that could happen if we don't watch out with using AI technology in our design work. So if you're brave enough, come with me and we'll explore this dark side of AI in design. Now, before we begin, let's be clear. AI can and has already changed the design world, and it can really speed up the way we design and work. It can help us come up with ideas and even make designs of their own. It can make decisions faster and easier and even create custom solutions for our customers. That's of course all great and convenient, but we need to be really careful because there are consequences. So what are these consequences? Well, first up is job displacement. As AI algorithms become more and more sophisticated, they become better at automating design tasks. For example, an AI system could be used to generate logo designs, and we've already seen that happening in some websites. It can also be used to create custom website design, which is getting better and better. Of course, this could lead to a lot of designers losing their jobs because the AI is just simply doing their job for free or for less money, which is a really bad thing, of course. The designers who are especially at risk at losing their job is the ones who are not familiar with AI tools or don't want to use AI. So it's really important that if you're a designer, spend the time with AI and figure out what it can do, so you will be ready for the future. You don't want to miss this. Of course, it's a scary thought, losing your job, but we need to be aware of this consequence, because AI is not gonna go away anytime soon. Next on the list is biased or unfair design decisions. So as you probably know, AI algorithms, they need data to be trained. If we just feed the AI data that is very biased, the outcome will also be very biased. So for example, if we only feed it data that is from one demographic, for example white people, it will only generate design that is made for white people basically. It is very important to understand that this could lead to designs that exclude certain groups of people, and this will become very discriminatory if we don't watch out. It's important for us designers to take the role as the critical eye and understand the data that is being fed into the artificial intelligence. This way we can minimize any potential unfair outcomes and make the world maybe a better place. Finally, there's the potential for AI to be greatly misused for unethical usage. AI could be used to create design that is simply unethical, either intentionally or unintentionally. For example, design that creates harmful stereotypes or even contribute to the destruction of our world. It could, for example, be used to create new weapons, which obviously is a very bad idea. We as designers have the role to always consider the ethical implications of our work, so we don't make the world an even worse place. So we really need to keep that aspect in mind of AI, of creating very unethical bad things. In conclusion, AI has the potential to revolutionize the design world and make a lot of our work more efficient and easier. However, we need to be aware of the dark side of AI in design. Let's consider the impact of AI on employment, on biased decisions, and also on ethical use. I really believe that design has the power to make the world a better place, but if we don't watch out, it can also make the world a worse place. Small disclaimer, parts of this video were actually created by AI because I was very curious if it could create a video script, and it scarily enough didn't do that bad of a job, but it still needed the human touch and human oversight. So I'm not fearing that AI will take our roles anytime soon because it's still like in the baby stages. But let's make sure we are aware of what it can possibly achieve. I hope you enjoyed this small glimpse into the dark side of AI for the design industry, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I would love to discuss it, and hopefully see you soon on the channel. If you like this video, maybe consider subscribing. It would really help my channel, and thank you so much for watching.